Hello everyone, welcome to another Kik.com tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to add activity feed for Kik.com through the OBS. Now, since I'm recording with OBS right now, I will show you this in a different way, but basically what you need to do is you need to go to kik.com/dashboard/stream. What you need to do is you need to copy this link because Kik.com does not have an embedded feature for the activity feed. So as you can see right here, there's no embedded feature, so you'll need to just go and copy Kik.com. So what we need to do right now is we need to add this to a browser source on OBS. Now, how can we do this? Well, you go and add a source in OBS by clicking the plus sign, and you want to go to add and then browser. What this will do is this will create a new browser here. Just type in whatever you want. You can type in this to be called activity feed. Click OK, and what you want to do is you want to put the width and height for the width and height of your stream. Now, additionally, once you click OK, you will get an activity feed. You will get like an entire screen. However, you will need to crop it. So in order to crop it, you will need to basically go and you will need to hold Alt and then left click and then drag it across so that you can basically crop it however you want. That's basically how to add a activity feed, but there is one catch. You will need to log in into your activity feed, because when you put activity feed on your OBS, it will be logged out. So what you need to do is you need to do this right here. So you will need to go and right click on your browser and interact. What this will do is this will pop up a browser where you can log in into your Kik.com. Once you log in, you will be able to have an activity feed on your Kik.com stream through OBS. Now, obviously, if you want to see how we added chat on the OBS, there is a feature how to add chat on the OBS for Kik. So you can check out some of those videos on our channel as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.